at 7.
Hi, ladies. Here in Los Angeles, there are many opportunities for models, particularly for petite models. In addition to meeting with fashion designers, we've set up a meeting with a world-renowned advertising agency for you to read for their casting directors.
Today you'll be given your own cars to get around.
You'll be broken up into teams of 2. You're going to have to rely on this.
Sorry, ladies. You can go to all 5 go-sees in any order, but you have to meet me back at Wilhelmina by 4 p.m. Because as anyone will tell you, the number one thing that I cannot stand is a late model. Here are the teams, Jennifer and Aaron.